Okay, this is Jeremy. He's the manager.
Hey,
This is Marcus. He's moved out of this room. We just come here quickly. Now it's quite bad from basically this side. Can you hear it?
Yeah. It's almost like you're actually in the bar.
It's difficult to understand if it's coming more from the door rather than
Wait, you want to close the door?
wall.
Close the door. Close the front door. Close it. I think it's.
Yeah, here you can.
This is the
I
back.
can definitely assure you it's not coming from the drawer. I've sat in here before and you can literally hear people just talking inside.
Okay.
So you can hear them talking, right?
Mhm.
And that's the window there onto the garden. It's the other side of this wall.
Cool.
It's not so bad here, interestingly, but you can still hear stuff.
Yes, some like low-level noise, not properly the voices as you do there.
Yeah. Well, the problem we've got is this is obviously a bedroom,
Mhm.
and sometimes when people want to sleep here on a Friday night or Thursday night at 8 o'clock's not so a problem. 10. What time is it noisy in here, Marcus?
The other night I was here at 11:30 and it was still like that.
We have a problem with the noise,
Okay.
and we need your help.
Okay. Cool. I cannot help you now in this moment.
Of
but I
course
will.
not. No.
Yeah.
No, the purpose of bringing you here, Jamie,
No, that's fine.
is not to say do something right now.
No.
Just working
But
together.
I understand your point of view.
I have an issue
absolutely.
in that I've been speaking to Martin Keith
Yeah.
and James as well. Martin Keith is basically saying there's no problem. We fixed it.
Mhm.
We fixed it. There's no problem. We put insulation. You can't hear anything. I said that's not true.
Mhm.
And I need you to recognise that you can hear. You said you can hear voices. So
Yeah, from this corner, yes.
yes.
From the room over here, not so much.
Not so much. Yes, it's a bigger problem there. But if you're lying in bed like now,
I would still say it's still. You can still hear it. I mean, now you can hear it.
You can hear it
You
now.
sat in the bar.
Yeah, you can hear something.
you can hear it. It's not ideal. We can make it better.
Mhm.
It's not that expensive.
Okay. Yeah.
We can. It's easily done. It's not wrong because
I mean-
we had the same problem with Breakfast Club on
Yeah.
the other side when they moved in 6 months ago, a year ago,
You don't hear.
and now we don't hear anything there.
Cool.
So it
Oh,
can
well, that's the
fix.
guys. What they did.
Just
was-
be honest with them.
Yeah,
Tell
yeah.
them what you told me. You can
Mhm.
hear something in the bedroom. It's not
Mhm.
great if it's midnight. You're trying to sleep. It's not great to listen to.
Yeah.
Just be honest
That's
with
fine.
them if you can.
Thinking about what could be a situation, like a solution for.
Well, what they
right
did
now,
next.
but-
No, right now, forget it. It's not possible.
Mm.
But what they did next door is perfect because we can't hit anything next
And
door.
we've got the luxury of, well, I say the luxury, Adam's not going to be moving out
Basically,
the next
this
week.
this is Marcus's old room.
Okay.
He moved out because he didn't like the noise.
So when did you move in?
I-
When Strada was still here, or?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I literally just moved this stuff today.
No, but he moved out of this room.
Yeah,
when
yeah,
he,
I
when he
understand
moved
that.
in, when did
Yeah.
you move in?
April.
So
Okay.
just when Strada were about to leave.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's been pre and post, so I know what it's like before and know what it's like now.
He's seen it both times.
Cool.
So basically, I was hoping James was here because I know James. I could show him the room. I told him I was going to come down and measure it.
Yeah, he did the morning shift, so he left like at 6 o'clock
Fair
today.
Yeah, I'm in contact with him,
Mm.
emailing him. But what I'll do is I'll drop him a line and I'll say I
Okay,
said it
it's
to
fine.
you.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I'll say you agreed you could hear something,
Yeah.
and maybe we should try to fix it. That's it.
And yeah.
It's not up to you. I understand it's
no.
not your decision.
No,
to
it's
fix
fine.
it.
It's fine. Yeah. I cannot say I don't hear anything. It would be like that.
No, you can't. No, you're honest.